Hi everyone, back with another keto recipe here for you. We've got a chicken and bacon noodle soup. It'll serve 2 to 4 people. Here's what you will need. 1 pound of the boneless, skinless chicken tenders, a bag of the shirataki fettuccine noodles. You'll need celery, green onion, bacon bits, xanthan gum, green beans, heavy whipping cream, olive oil for cooking, pink salt and pepper, oregano flakes. You'll need bouillon in the chicken flavor. You'll need a 1 cupper, a 1/4 cupper, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon, a fry pan with spatula and cover, and a big pot with cover and spoon. Start by taking 4 tablespoons of the olive oil and put it in your fry pan. Turn it on to heat a little higher than medium and throw in your chicken. And we're going to add over that heavily pink salt, light pepper, and light oregano flakes and let it cook. We're going to cover this. Once that's cooking up, go ahead and rinse 3 stalks of green onion and 3 stalks of celery. And go ahead and heat up your green beans in the microwave. It'll be 1 cup. Put it in a microwave safe dish. And it took about 2 minutes in my microwave to cook a cup of green beans. Then you want to cut up the celery and green onion into bite-sized pieces, maybe even a little bit smaller. And then your chicken will be ready to flip it over, add more heavily pink salt, light pepper, light oregano. And then let's get our shirataki noodles all rinsed up. So strain them and then rinse them under cold water. I'm doing that right there for about 3 minutes. You really want to get that smell off these noodles. And then they don't have a bad taste at all. And then when they're done, all rinsed up, you want to cut them with the kitchen scissors so that the pieces aren't so long. Once your chicken is cooked, go ahead and break them up into bite-sized pieces with a spatula and then set it aside and let's start the soup. You will need 16 cups of water, and then you're going to need a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. You will need 4 teaspoons of the chicken bouillon. You'll need 2 teaspoons of the xanthan gum, and then go ahead and throw in your green beans, your celery, and your green onion. Put in heavily pink salt, light pepper, oregano flakes. Give this a good stir. And we're going to turn this heat on high because we're going to let it come to a boil. You want to cover it and let it come to a boil, which is going to happen pretty quick. So watch it. You'll see here it's boiling. When you get to a boil, you want to turn it to a medium heat. And then we're going to add into it the cooked chicken. And we're going to add in a full cup of bacon bits. Add over that heavily pink salt and light pepper. And then you're going to give this a good stir. We're going to cover it. And you're going to let it cook for 30 minutes. But in that 30 minutes, please keep an eye on it. Keep stirring it occasionally so it doesn't burn. Sometimes take the cover off, let it sit, and then put the cover back on. When you get to the last 5 minutes, you'll see there, then you're going to add in your noodles because they just need to heat. They're already cooked. And you're going to turn it to a simmer now for the last 5 minutes. And we're going to give it a good stir. And we're ready to eat it up, you guys. Yum, yum. Now, each bowl was 2 cups. That's the serving size. And it was between 3 to 5 net carbs, depending on if the whole pot was 4 to 6 servings. So yeah, each bowl there is around 3 to 5 net carbs and absolutely delicious. That xanthan gum really thickens it up really good. Definitely make this, especially during the fall time. And always keep it keto.